So here's a quick review, an overview of a Rivnut or Nutsert tool kit that I bought on Amazon. Inexpensive kit. This is considered like they're a heavy duty model, and I think it's because it's the straight orientation versus like the 90-degree head. I think those are more like standard use, but whatever. Very inexpensive kit. Came with the tool, this carrying case, the different size heads, and it came with an assortment. I want to say there's 10 of the various size inserts, or Nutserts, or Rivnuts, or Rivet nut. I don't know, whatever you want to call them, whatever the generic term is. I also bought this little kit while I was at it because it's just an assortment of more inserts. Okay, so the way the tool works is pretty simple, like standard rivet gun kind of thing, but you have to change the head to match the size insert you're installing. So I'll quickly show that. So let's say I want to do a 1/4-20 insert, right? I have a bunch of 1/4-20 bolts. I want to be able to mount, you know, some sort of accessory to my vehicle or whatever. So you open the little case here. They're color coded. You'll see it has like this green band on both pieces, and they match the color of the label on here. Okay. And the way it works is you take the tool, you undo this like collar. Comes off. Well, that just fell out. So this piece sits in that like notch. It's cut a specific way that it goes right in there. So you take that out. You take the one you want to use. So this is the 1/4-20. And again, it's that weird shape. It only fits in one way. So it's not in. Okay, now it's in and it's centered. Now you take the original collar. You thread this back into the tool, okay? And then you take the 1/4-20 specific collar and thread that into there. So now, with the tool open, if I take a 1/4-20 insert, I thread it onto the face of the tool, and the further you thread it, it kind of holds the arms open. So like the arms don't even close, right? So now you're going to insert this into a hole that just fits that. And there's a chart that tells you which size hole it needs to be. But, you know, you just drill the hole, insert this, and then squeeze. And when you squeeze this, it's like a traditional rivet. This piece is going to mushroom, and it's going to, with the little spines that are on the nutsert, that's going to grab the piece of metal. And then it's going to pop. And when it pops, then you back out this screw to basically back it out of the insert that's now attached to your piece of work, okay? But yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple stuff. It's kind of neat, but yeah, it has all these different adjustable heads based on the size of the item you're working on. Again, we put that one back in its little case. Everything's color-coded. Not only is it color-coded, it's also labeled. So here's the one that was on it when it came out of the box, and it says M8. So I know this is the M8 one. And the color coding matches. So pretty cool tool. I've always wanted one of these. I'll put a link to this specific kit and this specific assortment in the description below. I think I got them on Amazon. I think they came in like 2 days. It came. You know, this was available via Prime. And I'm gonna cut to a quick video showing me using it to mount the mirror mounts on this particular car. Just gonna put one of the Rivnuts in there. I already threaded one onto the tool. Okay, so in it goes. So that's it. So those are in. So here's a close-up look of the two inserts mounted on the body. So now we're going to start these right into the inserts. I'm going to do them, let's start each one just to make sure I got the spacing correct, which looks good. There it is. They're tight, right, and done. That was a quick demo video of me using the kit. Again, link down below. Like this video if you find this useful. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.